For the upcoming Asian Games, Pakistan's national hockey team, which has a tremendous record in the Asian Games, is training very hard. They are quite enthusiastic and energetic, and they are quite excited to go and play in China in the Asian Games and explore China as well, and specifically the Hangzhou city, which is a tech hub of China.
That is the most tough tournament for the Asian hockey teams, because that is the qualification for the Olympics for the Paris. So that hopes are there for high to get the gold medal over there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we are working very hard on the sessions that are designed by the coaches. On the other hand, all the other teams they are also working very hard to be there to win the gold medal.
सबसे पहले तो हमारी टीम बिल्कुल यंग है. हमारी जो टीम है ये सीनियर और जूनियर की 2 कॉम्बिनेशन है. हमारा जूनियर वर्ल्ड कप भी है, उसकी तैयारी भी है, और सबसे बड़ी बात है ये ओलंपिक क्वालिफाई राउंड है.
In 2010 we trained here and we won the gold medal in 2010 Asian game that was also held in China. They organized very well. Then there is the second Asian game that I see seeing. So hopefully they do well.
Expectations of this team are always very high. Most of them already went there for last games, but few of them are new. They are very much excited.